Employers play a critical role in recovering from these devastating fires. Let's not make a bigger mess by failing to follow California's labor laws. Wildfire cleanup and rebuilding is dangerous work involving long hours. Follow these rules to do it properly. Pay workers for all hours worked. Provide them the required meal and rest breaks, and allow extra time to cool off to prevent heat illness. Fire cleanup work, including ash and debris removal and cleaning of fire damaged structures, is not household domestic service. Workers doing this are considered employees under California labor laws and workplace safety protections. Retaliation is illegal. Workers are protected if you take action against them for speaking up about their labor rights. This includes firing workers, changing their duties, making immigration-related threats, and more. California is tough on crime. Did you know when my office investigates wage theft, we actually recover more than the wages workers are owed in unpaid wages and penalties? Wage theft is costly. Don't do it. Protect your profit. Pay the right wage from the start. Reach out to our office for information and assistance with following the law. Visit wildfiresmokecalifornia.org or call 833-526-4636.